have dolls with balloon dresses. So I didn't put a video about these, but I'm going to put a video of doing one doll. And here we have a naked doll for now, covered with a discount. So we're going to make with her balloon. And you're also going to use your scissors to do this. So I'm going to place my dolls I made from the balloons and put it on my side. Now we're going to grab a naked doll. You have to blow up your balloon so it can stretch firmly since this is a thick doll, not one of the skinny ones like this one. So you blow it up and tie a knot firmly. After that, when it's fully enough, it will be hard to take off this thing, but basically you just need to pull this knot right here and pull firmly. But it might be hard, so I was gonna do it to help you if you can. Okay, so you're gonna grab your scissors and cut the bottom part of your balloon. And voila, if there's a little bit, just pull it. Then you have this part that you should see is gonna have a dress. Something needs to hold it up, so we're gonna cut this little ring part. And pull again like you did with the bottom. Then you will grab a doll and put it into this dress. It doesn't look like a dress, but then it will. Then you're going to pull this top part over here. So if this gets like this, a little ruffled, it's okay. Just pull it up like this until you get to the thing. So pull it up again, grab it, dig your finger in there, and try to pull it. If you can't do it, ask someone to help you. So if you would like to do it easy or hard, it doesn't matter. You're gonna keep twisting, well, not twisting, you're gonna keep grabbing it like how I told you this earlier. Keep doing it until you get that part. And voila! There you have it. So if there is a mistake, don't worry. Don't hesitate or anything. Just grab it and try to fix it. So since it ripped, I'm going to put it to the back over here. Some dresses are like that. But since it's too short, we are going to grab scissors again. And done. So when you do that, you can push it down a little like this. But if it will fall, then we're going to grab our little thing again and try fitting it onto the tutu. It's going to be hard, so you're going to stretch it a little. force it up. And voila. Then you're gonna just push it into the tutu like this. I'm gonna have to fix it. There. So then after that, when you get it back up, this is how it will start to look like. So, after when you're done, your doll will be back in its place where it's supposed to be. Balloons can be tough, but they are really fun to work with. You can try many colors, but I prefer blue. And this is a big doll. I have another one right here. She's a little different, but since this one was hard to do, and she's also a big doll, you also have to do another two-piece. So you can see that her stomach's showing a little. But with the skinnier dolls, you can do a one-piece. But since I wanted it to look like the other dolls, I made this one with a two-piece. But let's just show you how with the medium dolls are different as well. We have medium-sized dolls. We can do one piece, but I did a little two-piece on this one. It's gonna take the big part of the balloon to do all of this. But it was fun working. So if you want to do another one like this, try to do what you can work with the balloon, and it might come out good or bad. So, if you liked this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and ring a bell.